In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a social post with Buffer templates. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a great idea into a polished post using Buffer's built-in templates without starting from scratch. First, open Buffer. Once you're in, look for the Create button. This is your starting point for any new content. Click Create, then choose Templates. Templates are a fast way to structure your thoughts, keep your voice consistent, and make sure your post is clear and compelling. Next, browse the Featured Templates section. This area highlights popular and proven formats so you don't have to guess what works. You'll see categories designed for different goals. If you want to share quick value, explore Tip. To highlight results or lessons learned, try Case Study. For a personal angle, pick Story. If you're teaching something step by step, choose How To. To spark engagement, Question is great. For perspective pieces, use Opinion. If you're curating information, List is a strong choice. And when you want to humanize your brand, Behind the Scenes can help. Click a template card that fits your idea. You might see examples like the cold email that actually worked, I stopped following the rulebook, or when I realized I was faking confidence. Think of these as prompts to shape your message, not scripts you must copy. They give you a proven arc so you can focus on what you want to say. Review the suggested content structure inside the template. You'll typically see guidance such as a hook to grab attention, space for context, and a spot for your key takeaway. Take a moment to read these cues. They're there to help your post flow logically and stay scannable. Now customize the template with your own topic. Make it specific. Instead of a broad theme, anchor your post to a concrete insight, example, or outcome your audience cares about. Keep your tone consistent with your brand and aim for clarity over cleverness. If it helps, imagine explaining your point to one person in your target audience. Edit the caption or content to polish the language. Tighten long sentences, swap vague words for concrete ones, and make sure each line earns its place. If you reference data or a lesson, state it plainly and connect it back to a clear takeaway. When you're happy with the result, click Create Post to turn your draft into a ready-to-use post. If you're still brainstorming or want feedback later, choose Save as Idea to keep it safe and revisit it when inspiration strikes. That's it. Simple, structured, and ready to share.